Hi guys, today we're going to play pig and I'm here with my ugly friend. His name is Rene the Ugly, or you can call him Renzi the Girly. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's do this. Okay, start that.
Ako na mag-start.
Horse.
Oh, pick na lang.
Horse lang.
Pick.
Horse.
Horse is long, bro.
No, we can do that.
Okay, okay.
Especially if you're my enemy, you're my... Okay, dude.
Okay, first, free throw.
Free throw. What the freak? That's our air ball.
Airball pa sa
What the...
Hindi ko.
Okay.
In, bro. Free throw. Gusto sabihin takot ka sa free throw. Trash! I save for editing.
H. I take the H.
We're gonna take threes now. Good.
3 points. Can you do that 3 points? Praise the Lord.
Oh no!
You're so ugly.
At sumama sa ring. Okay, I'm learning. Meron doon. Fresh.
Almost.
Mas on. Ay, hindi.
Wait.
Step back.
What the freak is that? What is that? What is that, man? What is that? Okay. This is the Kyrie Irving step back three for Brandon Knight.
Trash! Okay, kailangan. Ano yun? Paano? Steps.
No.
How?
In and out, step back, then shoot. Hesitation.
Step back lang, yung gano'n lang.
In and back. Ay, first in and out 2 times. After that,
Oh, tapos.
step back to the tree, then shoot. Just make the shot.
Ganto.
Yes. Oh! Look at that lucky shot. Lucky face, B. Woo! Woo! Okay, let's make him have a 8.
Hindi pwede ako magkaroon ng H mo. Kahit hindi ako magaling mag-dress, nagawa ko, no? Ang lupit eh.
Curry, Stephen Curry in Game 7 versus Standard.
Wait. Huwag ka dyan kasi hindi ka makita.
Again?
Yeah, again. Can't see you. Dito. Dito sa may gitna. Hindi ko makita eh. Yan. More better, nigga. Trash. Oh, my turn. Mama,
You're lying. What?
check the footage.
Okay. I just missed that shot, bitch. Okay, I have a H and you have nothing.
Separation by curve.
What?
Parang crossover tapos drive tapos behind the back tapos here. Ano to?
What the freak?
Ay, hindi, paano Okay, let's see it. Let's do layups. Drive to the hoop.
Trash! I can do that with my one hand.
Right.
I just make it.
Huwag ka sinungaling. Okay, my turn. Okay, it's my turn now. Okay, let's be big boy again. Kita ko?
Ay, hindi pala. Ay, hindi naka-record. Joke lang, joke lang. I'm just kidding.
Okay. In and out step back.
What the freak is that?
Hindi na ako.
Okay. I can do that also.
Okay.
Even if you didn't not do that.
Trash! Okay, now,
I just have a
spin move
H.
step back.
I just have H.
Oh, H.
Oh my god.
Let's change it to pig. P ka na.
Okay.
Crossover tapos spin move tapos drive.
What?
Crossover to spin.
Crossover, spin, and drive.
Yeah, tapos isang kamay lang yun ah.
Kyrie Irving.
Pagka spin, if you spin, you can only dribble with one hand, okay? That's the rule.
Okay. Okay. Take the camera.
Take the L, bro. The I pala.
No, I can do this.
Uy, parang di naka-record. Okay, nagre-record.
It's easy peasy shot.
Okay, let's get it. Drive! Trash! PI! PI. Dude, this is for the
You know the feelings when you lie to yourself.
We're doing this flawless to flawless. Wala akong for the win. Pink 3. Kita ko, stop.
Deep 3. Deep loss.
Okay, let's get it.
This is not a pig. This is not a horse. There's no half-court shot.
Kala mo mananalo ko pa. Dude, he's gonna do a half court now. Let's see. Trash. Muntik na yun pero I appreciate your...
He's just lying. He can't win. I'm just giving him a chance to win. You know? I'm just giving him a chance. Babe.
Drive to the hoop reverse.
He's... What?
Drive and then reverse.
Drive and then reverse. No, wait. Make it harder. Make a what is that?
Yung...
Kyrie Irving reverse layup.
Okay. Parang ganun tapos ganun.
No. Hold this.
Ganun.
Hold this.
Hold this L. Ano?
Oh.
What?
You mean?
Okay, I'll change it. Wag na lang layup. Jump shots na lang. Eto. I'll throw the ball like this and then where it lands, I'm gonna shoot there, okay?
Okay. Trash. If I make this, you have a P.
Oh,
I'm going to do whatever you do.
dude, you're gonna die na. Trash.
He just have P.
Ay, wala pa eh. Kahit saan mag-landing ah.
Oh yeah, just P. You have a P and I have a PI. Oh my god. That's so close. If you miss that, you're just trash. Oh. I'm just kidding. if I make this, you're gonna make my shot. I'm just gonna make a random shot.
Okay. Let's get it.
I know. This is the behind the back 3 point.
Behind the back 3 point. Okay, he's gonna do it backwards. Trash!
What the freak?
Ito naman.
I can't even make a shot.
I'll leave ko self.
Okay, faster.
Backward. No!
Oh, that's a trash. Just watch me do it.
Sige, gawin mo.
If I make it, you gonna do this.
Oh. Oh.
Let's go!
Ano dito? Saan?
No, anywhere.
Anywhere.
Just throw the basketball in the freaking board. Oh, you have a P! I! P-I! P-I! We're the same!
P.
P-I!
Anong PI?
No!
Nagawa ko yung
No.
yung
No! No!
P pa lang eh. Huwag kang...
Hindi naman. I just say that if you throw the basketball in the board, you're gonna make the in.
Okay di P lang.
P-I ka na.
P.
No. Remember when you
Okay, wala ka.
remember when you didn't shoot the other one? The throw it and get the ball? I just make mine.
Dito na-shoot ko yun eh. Dito pa nga yun.
Okay, you have a P.
P lang.
Oh my god.
Wala, shoot.
You have a P. This is the hardest.
Okay. Hardest pa more. Curry. Trash. Trash. Okay, I want to finish him already.
Okay, finish me. Finish me.
We're gonna go with ano? Drive and then pull up. Para sobrang
Faster! Oh. I'm going to do the Russell Westbrook pull back jumper.
pull back.
Yes.
Pull up.
Pull back. I want to do that pull back.
Trash.
I wanna go home.
Okay, double spin move.
Faster!
Natatawa ko ang duya ko.
If I make the shot, you're lose.
Bakit?
Nothing.
Half court dapat.
You see this? We only have 1 minute left.
Okay.
So if I make the double spin move shot, you're lose. You take the L.
No! Wag! Ang dali lang nun eh.
Oh, you see this half court?
Half court na lang, half.
No, 3 point.
3 points.
3 point.
Ito?
Sige, post mo. Gawin natin.
Play mo na.
Half court.
Naka-play na?
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's go.
the first shot. I lose.
Bakit daw?
Guys, I take the L. Yeah. Guys, special thanks to Terry's198 for suggesting this video also. And peace.